Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about PrimeXBT, which is an amazing cryptocurrency trading platform offering copy trading and tons of other features. Obviously nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So guys, jumping over to the PrimeXBT website, which as always is linked down below in the description. It will bring you across to this page, and all you need to do is click up here on register, and then you can create an account for absolutely free and very quickly as well, so you can scope it all out without having to put any money in at all. So here you can see you can buy and hold with leverage. Now leverage, if you're not sure what that means, it means that you have the ability to use a broker's money rather than just your own in order to be able to make significantly more gains if you are correct in your call. So for example, if I only have $1,000, I can still perhaps buy a $20,000 Bitcoin by using leverage. And then if Bitcoin's value goes up in $1,000, then I will double my money from $1,000 originally, having now $2,000 to my name with only the use of the original $1,000, which is obviously what makes it very exciting. Coming down below, you can see that there's various different products available. You can buy crypto at an amazing price, margin trading with extremely low fees. You can see you can buy crypto with a very low price, significantly lower than many of the others on the market. And you can easily purchase Bitcoin, Ether, Tether, etc. And as well as that, all major digital currencies via Visa, MasterCard, bank transfer, etc. You can also margin trade with very low fees. I'm going to talk more about this later on. I'm going to show you the trading platform, and I'm going to talk about how you can do the copy trading. Copy the best traders and get the same results. Now this is amazing. If you don't know how to trade, that's fine. Obviously trading can take a long time and it's quite a difficult and stressful experience if you're not particularly well learned in the particular subject. What this allows you to do is make the most of someone else's profits by copying the trades that they take on a daily basis. They won't have access to your money. What will happen is the trades automatically get placed when the person who you're copying gets placed. And we'll look at that slightly later as well. And as well as that, guys, you can earn interest on your crypto up to 14% APY. So if you're holding crypto and you want to hold it for a long time, you may as well be earning an APY or annual percentage yield, because that's the best way to enhance your wealth, in my opinion. You can see they have 24/7 live chat support, and it's all done through this one single platform. There's an average daily volume of over $1 billion, which is absolutely massive. Coming down below, you can find out more where you can become a trader and then have other people copy your trade. So if you're already a successful trader, you can make more money by having 20% profits of the people who are copying your trades, which is obviously an amazing thing as well. And as well as that, it's available on mobile. Obviously, we'll be looking at the desktop version today, but everything you look at today will be available on a mobile, so you can keep an eye on your trades as you go. So guys, logging into the dashboard for this particular platform, you can see currently we have $10,000 or just over $10,000 sat there. Down below is the wallet, and you can see $10,000 of Tether USD. All the money at the moment sat there in Tether USD. Obviously, if there's nothing there, you can deposit either any of these cryptocurrencies. Here you can just click deposit and deposit any of these cryptocurrencies. If you want to do things like margin trading, you need to open a new account. There's also yield accounts where you can start earning from today up to 14% interest, which you've already talked about. Then we can see down below you've got copy trading, various other features like contests and all sorts of other bits and pieces to help you really up your trading game and ultimately increase your rewards. Right guys, so the main feature I want to talk about today on this platform, because I think it's the most unique and amazing thing about PrimeXBT, is the copy trading itself. So you can see up here we've got the tab copy trading. So let's look at how it all basically works. Okay guys, that brings us over to what looks like a fairly complicated page if perhaps you've never seen this before. Now what we can see down below is lots of different people trading crypto on this exchange, and these are all available for you to ultimately go in and copy their trades. Now you can see the total percentage gained from each of these individuals on the left. Click on rating here, you can see some of them are making like 1,400%. So if you started, for example, with $1,000, that would be now $14,000. Obviously that's insane, guys. So potentially you have the opportunity to copy people like this in order to make amazing returns. We can see on the right, in order to follow them. So if we just click on the individual, then we can see a little bit more information about them. This is coming back to August the 15th. And you can see over time, since the 15th of August, they've generally been creeping up, and you can see it's made 842%. That's a very short space of time. Obviously there are days where you can see drops. Here you can see we're up around 500% and then a drop down to 135%. Here 630% down to 224, but ultimately the trajectory is upwards. You can see that they focus on Bitcoin USD and as well as Ethereum USD. And you can see the profitability over 7 days, 30 days, etc. And obviously it's not been around for that long. I would suggest finding traders to copy who've been around for longer, because then you can see whether or not they have not just been lucky and that they've been successful for a sustained period of time. Down below you can see all of the different trades that they've been taking, as well as that the return on investment from the margin as well. Okay guys, so just jumping across, say that we wanted to follow this particular grander here, we can see that the followers equity is around $30,000, so that's all the people who are copying the trades. Totals around $30,000. They themselves trading around $27,000. We click on follow, that's going to bring up a page like this, and you can see the standard version is 60% profit share. That's going to be absolutely free. But you can upgrade to different versions, and then that's going to give you higher profitability up to the elite version, where you get 75% of all profit made. So let's say you've got $1,000 and it makes you $100 in the month, for example 10%, you're then going to take $60 of that profit, which is not bad considering it's not taking you any effort, any stress, and you can just set it and forget it. You can see then it's going to bring me to this page, and then I just need to declare how much money I want to put into it. You can see he trades BTC. Obviously at the moment I've only got USDT in the account. So you can see under the names we've got BTC, Ethereum, here we've got USDT. Now obviously it's been a bear market recently. Crypto's been falling, so if you were to put in BTC, then ultimately the value of Bitcoin can still be going down, even if that person's trading and making profits on that trade, because what they're winning is not worth potentially as much the next day as it was the day before. So a safeguard against that would be to use a USDT, which is a stable coin, and that won't fluctuate with the market, but ultimately you'll still then be able to lock in profit. So let's just take a look at this Swing Trader X. You can see then guys, once it brings us to this page, we then just need to put in how much money we want to give that trader to work with. Notice I can put in $50 rather than using my entire $10,000 balance, and then I can confirm here and click on follow. That's then going to mean that I'm going to start entering trades when that person enters trades. Bear in mind guys, they're not going to be opening straight away, because obviously that trader might not be active for that particular day or whenever, but you can see from the results of the particular trader whether or not they've been successful and whether you're likely to see results going forward. Here you can see you can improve your profit share by clicking on the increase button, and that's going to allow you to buy a premium version. Here you can see the entry fee is 1% or 0.5 USDT, which is why my total required will be 50.5 USDT. If we click on the Wall of Fame, guys, you can see some pretty insane results. This person here has 21,000 followers, Chamel X, BTC trader with a maximum profit of 106,169%. That's insane, given that they've been active for 107 days. Okay guys, so this is the Wall of Fame for co-vesting communities, right? So you can see the particular values and stuff that they have been receiving. This one here, maximum profit 106,000%, absolutely ridiculous amounts. Been around for 107 days with 21,000 followers. That's pretty substantial, probably worth having a look at. This is another one that I like the look of, 17,000%, 38,000 followers. Look for ones with big followers who've been active for quite some time, at least I would say 100 days or more ideally, because then you know that they're consistently making profits rather than just getting lucky on the first couple of trades they're taking. And if you're a qualified trader and you want to share your strategy with other people, then you can come here and you can create a strategy, describe all the information here, the balance that you're going to be using. You can also share links like your Twitter, your Instagram, whatever it is, so you may be able to go and gain followers for your YouTube or whatever it is. Here you can see very black and white what the followers will take, the platform will take, and the manager will take. 20% is what you're going to get if people are following you of their money, but bearing in mind you could be managing millions of dollars of other people's money, and if you're making a little bit of money on that, then you can still take 20% profit, which will be insane. If you took 10% profit on $1 million worth of account, so $100,000 would make you $20,000. I hope that all is very clear. Now maybe you've got some friends and family who might be interested in joining PrimeXBT and doing copy trading as well, or perhaps you run a YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is. If you become a partner, then you can also earn tons of rewards by linking up with them which is a great way for you to be able to earn a passive income. You'll get special offers for your subscribers, they pay for leads, and you can get 50% profit share. So every time someone takes a trade, it costs like a little bit of money in a transaction fee, but you could get 50% of that transaction fee, which is another really cool thing, guys, and a way to really ramp up your earnings. Jumping across to the Twitter then, guys, it's no surprise, 151,000 followers. Remember, we talked about the size of the trading platform in that they have over $1 billion traded every single day. There's loads of other stuff down here, gives you information on the copy trading. There's other things about different there's other like tips and tricks on where you should be buying right now, where you should be looking. There's different top weekly traded currencies and loads of other bits and pieces here for you to go and check out and learn from. So make sure you head to the link for the Twitter down in the description in order to give them a follow over there. As well as that, head over to PrimeXBT, and then you can sign up, get hold of bonuses for your deposits and everything else. So in summary, guys, PrimeXBT is one of the world's best top crypto trading exchanges. It offers very low fees, offers incredible ratings across the board, and as well as that, my favorite part is it offers copy trading, which allows new people who don't know anything about trading in order to be able to benefit still from trading professionally by following someone who is already making significant gains. This is a really excellent way for you to get started. You could then study how they've been placing their trades and start to learn about trading through them while earning a passive income. It's pretty much a no-brainer. Remember, never use any more money than you can afford to lose, guys. Trading is still risky, even if they've got phenomenal results. Just be very cautious of doing that. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks very much for doing that. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about trading, crypto, Web3, NFTs, and so much more, make sure you hit that subscribe button to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.